Unati mpulai Kopanye lima bota ntulai Balisa wingagaiti Pai tuka She got it from her mama but it's on Hunai No diggity Two hands on my arms both feeling me Dance floor if I do us don't feeling me Location PVT stop feeling me Kukabantu babantu with the premises Hey what do they want from a nigga She said I'm a cool young nigga Kulul, one nigga. The best thing out of the six, but he knew John on the block. I just do a call. Everything is a shock. But Dalela good in the kitchen.
That's better than you, What up? You already know what it is. Be out here. No, say less. I got you. Please, God. Yo, Young Cannibal was good.
The king.
What it do, baby?
Jimmy.
What it do? Yeah, it's too much. Talk to me, God.
Talking from the world, what's new? See, I was the most international sounding cat. Classic when it comes to a boom bap rap. Yeah, you sound proper, dog.
Appreciate
not for projects, voice projection, delivery. I listen to our Jimmy Wiz.
Sure.
So, what's new, dog? Projects, singing.
You're the first person I'm ever gonna say this to, because I haven't been doing interviews for quite some time. I have been on a hiatus. It's been a while. I think I took about a 3-year break. But it's been in preparation for quite a lot of shit. Definitely expect 2024 to have some new Jimmy Wiz music, a lot more Jimmy Wiz collabos with other artists. I think that's what a lot of people have been liking from Jimmy Wiz, is that most of the times you hear me collabo with very close individuals, the likes of your Shabsies, your Frozes, your Envays, whoever you can mention. But I think with 2024, expect a lot more music from Jimmy Wiz. It's gonna sound a lot more insane. We're still taking it with the boom bap. It's just gonna have a little bit of that new sprinkle. But trust and believe, Jimmy Wiz is yours 2024, man.
Your recap about it, I saw a clip but this was sweet.
Appreciate it.
We said back to the roots. Yeah, I'm feeling I was going to be called because like we in a session now we got the hammer so very nice we said yourself. I appreciate it. So tell me recap how was Back to the City?
Back to the City was amazing. I definitely think Froz had top 5. He's in the top 5 best performances. I think him calling myself NV and Landmark out, I think was top tier performance. I think his crowd, his stage presence was amazing. What up, my nigga? I think he had a fucking dope time, you know. I think, man, look, Back to the City was amazing. I think Back to the City was fucking amazing. I hope I can swear.
And tell me about this. This is super.
Thank you. This is the artwork done by my homie Danny. Danny is from Limpopo. Fucking amazing. If y'all ever want this work, DM me, man. My DMs are available. I reply. Jimmy Wiz music on every platform you can imagine. And then you'll find me there. This here belongs to the album.
It's an artwork.
Yeah, it's an artwork. For the debut album, it was titled According to Jim. But we'll be back for that new project.
The culture appreciates it, dog. The culture appreciates it, dog. Salute.
Appreciate it. Bless. Young Cannibal was good.
Sipping past the calabash, you want. Would have been fighting just as food catch. Was at the games to them to up. A sickle shook auntie. You can get the word. I swear we got tools, auntie. Touch me and that's your top off. Auntie, you pool party. People ready for what I'm about to bring on. Dig out long enough for all of y'all to sleep on. This is Shazam. Digging for gold from dusk until dawn. Fugan Genji Kugu until my dogs got grills on. Shit is game over. Niggas signing out. They switch sides on this side, their life is running out. Fuck your board, meeting beats, yeah, they do it for the crowd. Chest out, no apologies, we don't hug it out. Great. I said we're here to rap, bro. I go by the name Father Tech. And I always say there's time to rap, and then there's time to rap.